Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with my Creative Times 146th edition release, and today is the day of the hop and giveaway. So make sure you are subscribed to everyone's channels on YouTube and on Instagram. The ladies' links will be down below. Make sure you leave a comment. You have to be at least 18 years old or older and U.S. residents. All right, and so I'm just going to do a recap today so you can hurry up and go shopping. My code is MOE for 15% off your total purchase, or you can use any of the designer's codes. First day we had the Cocoa mug and stuff, and this is a super cute set, and you can see everything there. You can also make this cocoa cup or mug into a shaker. We have the hot cocoa add-ons. And so you'll have your cinnamon stick, your peppermint stick, and then your peppermint candy canes. We have the wood plate die. Love this. This is such a cute little die. And that goes with that cocoa mug. And we also have the hot cocoa stamps. Really cute. Love the fonts on all of these. Just so super cute. And then we have the large treat bag add-ons, and this was perfect if you want to turn that large treat bag into a bag, and then it has the coordinating tags that look like the actual large treat bag. Really super cute. So that's perfect too. Gingerbread cookies plate, and I love those. The little cookies are just adorable, especially the gingerbread. And the Sweet Ginger Mrs. Claus set. She's adorable, and that goes with the companion Sweet Ginger die person. And then we have the small scallop ginger dies, bow dies, and these are really cute. Make sure you save the fallout for shaker cards. Really adorable. And then we also have the medium one as well. Really cute. We also have the scallop ginger rosette dies, and those will have fallout as well in the rosette. So love those. And this is the Hot Chocolate Season 2024 paper pack, and I showed that in detail on the first day. So if you'd like to go back to the first day of the sneaky peeks to catch that and look at that in more detail, you may do so. All right, and these are the items that I showcased on the first day. Here goes the treat bag. And there goes the side add-ons. They fit perfectly, really simple, easy to put together. And then there goes that wood plate. This will be sold separately. And then the cocoa cup has a bunch of add-ons, and then you can also buy the add-on for the cinnamon stick and the peppermints there. Really cute. And I didn't show this on the first day, but I did make this into a gift card holder on the back side. And so you can just stick your little card down in there. I forgot to show that, but anyways, that's how it looks on the back side. And then here goes the card that I created. There goes those cocoa stamps. Really cute. Got cookies, and I did heat emboss that to make it a little bit darker. And I did add glossy accents on top of the cookies there. And I got out the apron die. And then that's that 5x5 card base layer. Really cute. And then I made some tags from the wood plate, and that's really cute. I love that. And then on the back side of the tags, it has to and from on there as well. So that's really, really adorable. Love that. On the second day, I showcased the Mrs. Claus. I did make a card out of one. This one will come up in a design team project later, but I love her. She's adorable. Love how she turned out. She's on a cookie sheet along with those cookies. I did lay that on the rectangle scallop die layers, and then that's the frame die layers there. But really cute. There goes that in the inside there. And then there goes that other one right there. Like I said, I'll showcase that in a design team project later, but I thought she was adorable. Pulled out these treat boxes, which will be in the store today. So if you weren't able to pick up yours, you can grab that today. And I made this adorable little turkey. Just so super cute. That came from that I Love Fall die set, and I put it on top of that rosette die. Love that. It turned out so adorable. Can you see that on your Thanksgiving table with the names on the back side? Just adorable, and add some little treats on the inside. And then you can do the same for Christmas. I added that little gingerbread person there. I did put several dollops of glue, hot glue there, just to pop that up a little bit so that it wouldn't be pressed into the bow. So love how that really turned out. Looks good. And then there goes that other rosette, really, really cute. And you can do the same, like I said, for Thanksgiving as you can for Christmas, and add the names on the back and put it on your Christmas table there. And then last but not least, I made these adorable bows. And like I said, you can get a bang for your buck with those bows, because you can do 2 different kind of bows if you'd like. And of course, make the gingerbread bows. And then I also added that little gingerbread person in the center of that bow, along with a little gem on top of her hair. And then there goes the other bow. If you just want to use that layering piece by itself, it's perfect. Love how those turned out. And then those flowers are from Shabby Pink House. She sent me some as a gift, and I was so thankful. Love those. So if you'd like to see any of these in more detail and what I used, make sure you go back and check out the previous videos. And that's all I have for you. Make sure you use the links down below. Check out all the Design Team sisters, and leave a comment if you want to win the giveaway. Check out all the pictures at the end. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.